This is the Chinese high-speed rail train. We are going to explore for free to join. This is the whole toilets area, and this is me, a handsome man. Yeah, we just locked the door. And then you can finish what you want, including... That is tissue. We call it toilet paper. On the train, smoking was banned, and you will hear the sounds.
Smoking is strictly forbidden on this train.
Wash your hands, the tour is over. This is the second class seat. We also have the first class and the business class. Let's see the seats right here, and it's really comfortable. And let's see the tables. And you can put anything you want here. I put my bottles here, and I can drink anytime, anywhere. Thank you for watching. See you in the next time.